Morning, afternoon or evening, welcome to another yoga class. So today's practice is going to be aimed at hips and shoulders, just a nice easy flow for you today. I won't be cueing the breath too much, and we're going to start with a little grounding and then sun salutations. So coming to a comfortable seat, we're just going to tap into our breath to start with. So just rolling the shoulders down away from ears, lengthening up through that spine, keeping the pace to this yoga practice today. So we just want to warm up the breath a little bit, inhaling all the way to the top, exhaling all the way out. Inhale all the way up, exhaling out. One more, inhale, exhale, hands to heart center, bowing the head lightly, opening the eyes, removing any props from your mat, and then coming to the front, diving straight in, arms come up to sky. Exhale, hinging from the hips, forward fold. Inhale, left leg goes back, lowering the back knee, opening the chest. Exhale, stepping back to down dog. Holding the breath, knees, chest, chin, lower to the ground. And then inhale up to cobra. Shoulders away from ears. Exhaling back to down dog. Inhale, stepping the left foot forward between the hands, open the chest. Exhale, stepping forwards to forward fold. Inhale, arms come up to sky. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, hands to sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, stepping the right foot all the way back, lowering that back knee, open the chest. Exhale, stepping back to down dog, bending those knees, hips to the sky. Holding the breath, knees, chest, chin, lowering to the ground. Inhale up to cobra, elbows tucked close to the body. Exhale, pushing back to down dog. Inhale, stepping that right foot forward between the hands, lowering that back knee, open the chest. Exhale, stepping forwards to forward fold. Inhale, hands to sky. Exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, taking a long step back with that right foot. Turning it around so it's in line with the short side of your mat, coming up into warrior two, keeping the knee and the ankle stacked in that front foot. Arms come up and out, rolling the shoulders down and back, nice tall spine. On the exhale, lowering your elbow to your knee and bringing the right arm up and over, extended side angle, holding here for 2 breaths. Inhale, back up to your warrior two, pivoting the feet around. And then exhale, taking your warrior two on your right side, keeping the hips as square with the long side as the mat as possible. Exhale, right elbow comes down to knee, left arm comes up, creating a nice line from fingers to toes. Holding here for 2 breaths. Inhale, coming back up to center, pivoting the toes in, heels out, arms come up, and then exhaling into your wide-legged forward fold. Holding here for 2 breaths. Inhale, arms come up to sky, pivoting around to the front of your mat and taking mountain pose, rolling the shoulders down and back. From here, inhaling into chair, holding here for 2 breaths. Coming to a nice standing position, keeping the arms all the way up. We are gonna shift the weight into our left foot and coming into warrior 3. Taking that right foot behind you, and on the exhale, hinging from the hips, keeping a nice length to the whole body. Taking your warrior 3, holding here for 2 breaths. Inhale all the way back up, keeping the arms up, shifting the weight to your right foot. Left toe comes behind you. Exhale, hinging from the hips, keeping both hips facing the mat. Arms reaching out, flexing the foot. Holding for 1 more breath. And then inhale up, release the hands down, mountain pose. Taking a breath here, rolling the shoulders out. Inhaling, arms come up to sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhaling, stepping the right foot followed by the left or vice versa, coming into your down dog. Pedaling out the knees, taking those hips all the way up to the sky, broad across the shoulders. Exhale, lowering the knees, coming into cow pose, lowering the belly down. Exhale, curling up the cat. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Taking the knees a little wider, sending the hips back to heels, extended child's pose. Resting here for a few breaths. Walking the hands back to knees, rolling up through the spine. Bringing the legs around and coming to bridge pose. Feet about hip distance, rolling onto your back. And when you are ready, inhale, curling the hips come off the mat and arms come up overhead if it's comfortable. Exhale, rolling everything down. Feet stay nice and evenly grounded. Inhale, arms come up, hips to sky. Exhale, rolling everything down. From here, bringing both feet up to the sky. Feet can be flexed or pointed. Option to add a block under the tailbone here. Just coming to legs up the wall, closing the eyes. One more breath here. Releasing the knees into chest, coming for a nice squeeze. Making your way to a comfortable seated position. We are going to take some twists. So bringing the legs out in front, taking the right leg over the left. Inhale, nice tall spine. opening up that left hand. And as you exhale, wrapping it around the knee, bringing your right hand down behind you. Inhale, lengthen through that spine. Exhale, twist. 2 more breaths here. Inhale, coming back to center. Right leg comes out long. Left foot comes across. Opening up to the right. Exhale, wrapping that right hand around the knee. Bringing the left hand down beside you. Lengthening on the inhale. Exhale, twist. 2 more breaths. Inhale, back to center, bringing the legs out, taking a few windscreen wipers, so dropping the knees down to the mat, releasing the hips. And then coming back to center, bringing both feet together for butterfly pose. So you can have your feet as far away or as close as you like. On the inhale, lengthen through the spine, and on the exhale, just folding as far as is comfortable, releasing the neck, releasing the back. And we'll just take a few breaths here. Inhale, walking the hands up, and then rolling all the way down onto your mat, coming to your Shavasana, taking the feet out wide, arms away from the body, palms facing up, and just starting to remove any control of thoughts, of breath. Allowing your body to find complete stillness. Relaxing the feet, the legs, the hips, the stomach, chest, hands, shoulders. Releasing the neck, chin, cheeks, and forehead. Allowing your whole entire body to be heavy and sink into the mat. Keeping the mind linked only to the breath. Releasing control and being present in this moment. Finding stillness. Starting to deepen the inhales and releasing with the exhales. bringing some movement back to fingers and toes. And taking either a full body stretch or knees to chest, whichever is preferred. Very slowly coming to a comfortable seated position. Linking the mind with the breath and the breath with your body. Drawing hands lightly to heart. Namaste. Thank you very much for coming.